Bumblebee's getting ready to take the green in turn 4. Sorry, Sport Compacts. Okay. Bumblebee's to me, though.
Oh man, that was a hard hit.
Right here,
I'm pausing. Going green in turn 4. Mike Courier is your leader. And it looked like 88.
Oh, he's wiped out.
Oh boy. Another parking lot. I'm pausing again. Going green. Mike Courier still your leader. Man, there is some bumper pool playing around there with that car behind Amber Eberspeaker,
Yeah.
the number 31.
Oh, yeah.
He keeps hitting her right in the tail. Caution is out.
Who's in one?
I guess we got a car parked right in front of us here against the wall.
Yeah.
Mike Courier is still your leader. Grabbing the wrong gear. That 31 is still running tight to the back of Amber Eberspeaker. Now the caution's out again. I'm pausing. Mike Courier will be leading them out of 4 again. Hopefully we stay green flag racing for a while this time. Ryan Bussing's up to 4th. Well, he's in 3rd now if he can keep it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another one spun out down here, number 31. I'm pausing. Mike Courier is going to lead them to green again in turn 4. Oh, they're wiping out again. Another parking lot. Boy, them 88 cars got busted up.
Oh, yeah.
Mike Courier will be leading them back into green in turn 4.
Coming back out.
That 3508 just flipped it around right over there. Another dude's up there in the wall in turn 3.
Yeah.
I am pausing again.
And she just. Busting tires out here.
Mike Courier will be leading them out of 4 with the green flag on a restart. That 2L really running good these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were
They were cross swings.
beating on each other. And that 31 car is going after him too. Yeah, I think that BFE car is a Volkswagen. I'm not positive.
Right.
I think it is. Looks like one.
Coming up pretty quick here.
Looks like 2 to go. Mike Courier is your leader. L2 second. Brian Bussing 43 third. Number 10 Amber Eberspeaker fourth. Last lap. And they are finishing. Mike Courier first, L2 second, Brian Bussing third, and Amber Eberspeaker fourth. Time for an Enduro.
That was a good race.